What's up? Welcome back, and today we are going to be learning about how deaf people can communicate. And my name is my sign name. So first of all, how deaf people communicate is also really different and depends on the person. Some deaf people can learn sign language, and wherever they are, it's different. Like British Sign Language is different than American Sign Language, even though we both speak English, because American Sign Language is not English. It's its own language, community, and culture. So let's just say they live in the United States, and it'd be American Sign Language. Some deaf people learn American Sign Language, but a lot of deaf people who are born into hearing families, their families don't learn American Sign Language, so they're forced to talk English or try to communicate that way. So it kind of depends if they learn ASL or not.